Good morning, everyone. This is Minty Joe, no makeup, fresh out of bed, getting ready to do a detox on my hair. Yes, that's right. As you all know, I have had my 2-year anniversary and it is time for me to do a detox. So I'm going to take this time now to get started on it. I'm actually doing the apple cider vinegar detox with a teaspoon of baking soda because my hair is already naturally dry, so I want to make sure it's not too dry. And then after that, I'm going to wash it with my shampoo, my Shea Moisture Intensive Shampoo, and and condition it as well. So I just wanted to tell you this so you can know about what I'm doing. I'm going to try to see if I can do as much footage about it because, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show, but I'm definitely going to let you know how things are going, okay? And I'm back to let you know how my experience was with my apple cider detox soak. So first, let me say I'm very happy with the results. And I want to tell you exactly what I did. So I filled a bowl of water. I literally prepped my living room and turned it into like a salon. And I put about 4 cups or more, about 4 or 5 cups of water in the bowl. And then after I used about 2 milliliters or maybe a cup and a half of apple cider vinegar. After that, I put literally a teaspoon of baking soda. Now, I didn't add any limes or lemons or anything like that. I just left those 2 ingredients together. And I just wanted to add a little bit of baking soda because I know that baking soda is also an acid, and I just wanted to just be very careful. So that's what I did. I soaked my hair. I put my locks back and I soaked my hair for about 15 minutes. And then after soaking it, I just went ahead and looked at the water. It's very murky. I'm going to try to see if I can add some pictures so you can see. And then after that, I went to the shower, thoroughly rinsed it out, and then I went ahead and used my Shea Moisture Manuka Home and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydrating Shampoo. Okay, this is definitely for dry hair. And also I used the conditioner as well and made sure I washed it out thoroughly. And after that, I retwisted my hair. So I'm very, very happy with the results. Let me go ahead and show you. My hair felt very clean when I was finished with it. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the results. Very happy with it. Okay, and I'd like to encourage anyone that has had their locks over a year or so to go ahead and do that because it really does take out. I was so surprised to see how much, how murky the water was. So I would encourage you to try it as well. Okay, if you have any questions or if you have any comments, please leave it below. This is Minty Joe, and you have a fantastic day. And if you like what you've heard, please subscribe. Bye. Arrivederci.